So hello everyone, welcome back to this 365-day challenge. This is Abhay, and today is my third video. So today's topic is how to build self-confidence, because the most important things for every speaker is confidence. So first I start with what is confidence and how you can develop your confidence, right? Because in today's days I can speak any platform, any place in front of 1,000 people confidently because I'm a self-confident person, right? So it's not come with me with my words. It's not come to me naturally. It's take decades and time, lot of times. So, what do you do? I just asked a question that what do you do to develop your confidence? You eating junk food, you watching junk all day on phone, always stay in home, not doing any workout and anything that gives you and feel you confidence, right? So, so all things that you are doing, it's not help you to develop your confidence. So I have a 7 point that if you follow, then I'm pretty sure that you will become confidence at the end of the video. So let's start with the first point. It's called let go. If let go of perfectionism. Let go of perfectionism. It's called that if you start something, doing new things, then you start thinking that if I do something, then I will complete it with a very perfectionism, right? So it's not like that because when you start something doing, you are making a lot of mistakes, and you are thinking that yeah, it's not happening me because suppose you are taking you start workout, so the body will already in rhythm of rest, right? It's not feeling too good when you start workout. The body will not supporting you. It's hurting you, right? You feel that yeah, it's hurting me. Let it go. It's not for me. And this discomfort, if you feel that, it means that your body is completely become lazy, right? So if you start doing workout, in the starting you are starting with some push-ups and pull-out, right? So this kind of things will happen, but the other thing is that you are starting that in the first day I'm doing everything in perfect manner, and this is the biggest mistake because every person in the world doing a lot of mistakes. Even I also do a lot of mistake. If I learn new things, doing mistake, it's not bad things, it's a good thing because you learn from your mistakes and improve yourself better. Now the second thing is create routines. We are human beings and we have a schedule for doing all the time what kind of things we have to do in a particular time. Right. If you divide your time in a particular slots, like 2 or 3 slots, that from one slot I'm doing a lot of things, and second slot I'm doing a lot of things, and third slot. Right. So I will give you a quick demo then how I do of my slots and divided my whole day in a 3 slots. Right. The first slot I usually prefer and try to do to my routine is get up early in the morning and try to do little workout, then reading newspaper and try to revision something new. Then it's completed my first slot. Then I take breakfast and something else. Then in the college, I whole day I reading more and completing all the tasks. In the evening, I again prepare our own slots for something, reading new things and explore something new and any other things. So in this way, you can distribute your all day into the slots, and that slot can help you to boost and feel confident because after completing 1 or 2 slots, innerly you feel confidence because you have a mindset that yeah, I completed today 2 slots successfully. So that feeling you feel that feel you internally help you to become and boost your confidence, right? So always focus on create healthy habit routine, do workout, don't stay all day and always stay in the room, go for a walk, do something, any extracurricular activities that help you to boost your confidence. Now the third point is start speaking up for others, right? It's something like if you have or listen something bad that did not happen with someone, right? Try to help him and try to always focus and always be in the right way and right person. Always try to help others. And if you help someone, which person is right, then that kind of helping nature, it's always give you the inner feeling very well, and that boosts your confidence again, right? The fourth thing is working on your body posture. Most of the people who live in India has a very bad body posture. I also have bad body posture before, but after walking a lot, I'm comfortable and I'm doing some activities and exercise to do my body posture right. But sometimes it's happen for everyone. But try to fix this, because when your body posture is not too good, then you never become confident, right? Because most of the people have a slouching better, the shoulders are up down, and you feel something lazy, right? So if your shoulder is upright and you state your body angle is 90-degree, then you feel confidence and you might have a signal that yeah, I am ready to do anything with confidence, right? The fourth and fifth term is take care of yourself, your outer layer, how you look, how you smell, how you talk, the way you are walking, all things you really matter for your boosting your confidence, right? So always notice one thing, that don't wear uniron and dirty clothes, don't look like messy, always dirty, and smell bad. So always focus to wear iron and clean clothes, or trim your hair and dance at least, and smell good. And always try to stay in a right posture. Always create your right posture, and your mindset is also important to boost. So if you are wearing all the things in perfectly, then you feel confident in a crowd, because when you are wearing very good clothes that feel outwardly you confident, right? Because if you suppose a condition that you are wearing dirty and unironed clothes and you not look good and not smell good, then what happened with you? You are just try to escape from crowd. That someone if someone see me and comment something bad, that I feel very nervous and something like that, you're not going to show your body and not try to go and close to someone, because you are not smelling good and not looking good, right? So this type of condition lose your confidence. So always be focused, that always wear clean and iron clothes, and focus on your body posture, right? So the sixth thing is limit your social media. In now generation, everyone busy on scrolling reels, YouTube shorts, and lot of things. So always limit your social media. I also do lot of things and stuck into the social media trap, because when you start thinking that I start starting scrolling reels for 5 minutes, after thinking that you start scrolling, but the 5 minutes will convert it into 3 to 2 hours when you don't understand and what kind of thing will happen with you. And after that you feel regret that I'm wasting my 3 hours and 2 hours for scrolling times, and after thinking and regretting you are wasting another hour, right? So always limit yourself, that if you think that I have to use social media for 10 hour I mean 10 minutes to 30 minutes, then set an alarm and use and stop. Don't go further anymore, don't try to escape, because if you watch a lot of social media content, then your emotion and your thought will be changes. Why? Because you are seeing a lot of content which is not real, because the content creator who created the videos and reels, some has a good, who was saying right things, but some has bad things. You are this saying I'm happy and I'm rich, I'm doing a lot of things in great in life, but in actual life they are not like that. They are unhappy and very bad, that you they are suing. After seeing that, you are feeling that everyone is doing great, and you start your comparing. right? And this comparison will always give you a very depressing mindset, right? That everyone doing great, I'm not, I'm also want to do, but I'm not able to do that. Yes, I'm a loser, I'm something like that, and this feeling will lose your confidence. So don't compare yourself, because in the universe every person have some unique talents. So try to find those talent and improve yourself better. The third and last thing is the seventh step is love yourself and this version. I'm trying that I try to comes with a very next version, right? New version. Try to launch your new version, which has good communication skills, good body posture, looking good, feel confidence. But in this process to become a better version, don't hate you this version, right? Do workout, do everything at least 5 days a week to delay. But love yourself and become follow all the tips that I will tell you, that always let go of perfectionism, right? The second thing is create healthy habit routines, right? And third is the start speaking to the right way, and that is the body posture. Also take care of your outer layer, how we look, how we smell, how to walk, right? So this kind of things will also help you to boost your confidence. So thank you for listening to